coming with us was yesni. Oh, Akamaya Samopai. Aquada who dachiana naniaji, or penetrananiana de raho, Marahu Sampana Minke, Mintam Cassiana, me bossy, Memranti Bremu Mentia. And let me know you, Rantan in my bow, would see me. I'll come myself down.
Oman for me mamo at 18 minutes past 8 o'clock. Sompa Rhapsody. Yedi enam Sompa 106.5 FM. Osum year and mao aketuya pa. Sa program you know ena yede obremu nyansa nimdie enentiase edibreo. Na eboa ma wututu wanamo mebusem etimienu yimru baako wo se adwempa be hoso nantiase abomba. Ayempa bonko na henipa so. Eye nyame asem kenkanko na henipa so. Enyansa yenyafri nyame asem a yetu ho anambo no. Eno ne boy ho ban. Na eje na mo erisi yie ama yehunu se ye bubra. Obra biara ubu a ubu na sinia ubu ni sadi ya wono sabe appetition. Na utwa ne tot no. Ya na wie no enya kura. Ahode no ni hobiem na safe na usua esanwa kametu fuse dai no ni ya. Aka emrebeti na sanetia. Aka the Sompa Rhapsody na je se eye abrabopa ani yefutuba. Benumi uba. Aka misa akoda biema. So what is our program here may catch a young commissioner may show. May many body make me a show come. Now, wait here many a we be fair make a satchel. May the Yansa, any dear, any moon, and a casachel. So, what is our program here may say your life will never be the same. And I will be fresh or say, ah, so our program with the main country, because you say, woman, maybe say, because you and no says our program here, and he better so papa. Was a politics not do so, and your manipa enya or bremunyans and him dear. No, sorry. So when Tia Hakran to Grania, and then you go to us when him now someone. Anope enyadi bi atobi anim obi anya asem obi re aho obi epra obi aluzu ne dofo obi dofo bi aka asem a eye ya e de akere no enra obi anda enra obi ti asem ya ye bia na ye ne se ti ade am ye ni nyina akatua menya ye ni enti o grivi o dwajo asem bia ne yama oda wontumi enna na eno hom komodie and for the past few days if you see ye kan wasem how do you grieve sebribi everyone somewhere and now very adebia how do you grieve me she be pain emena catch me say me sis woman number say me abc me to anamo na mo meditaria na why me frua no be saname me koba bi a me hia no be apuno to okwan mu ye mame nu baby amidu no obi say obi apuno to sa mame ye mi afri agro no a loss why hiribribi now hiribribi is at the end of life. I Gwankobia Majania to Anapay Janeto Sompa Rhapsody Gwankobia Yedi Nimideni Nyansa Edi Ebreo. If you lose something in life, Sabribia a son na sumbo se a hero ebikura na ye bia obabi ebi na ye okunu bia na woyere uye wotu nchen a ye wo nkwani ade a ma bribi hwere abrabo obi wo a wahwere adwuma bi obi akoka ho asem adwuma bi a nanka wo ya emma wo to bi di obi ama ya adwuma no every one sem obi ama opportunity bi a ka ebe wa kwan mu contract bi anka wunya wama ahwere obi aka asem bi enti promotion bi a na wosanka ba wa kwan mu no wahwere ade no. We keep losing things in life because encrophobi ayomo hombribia wojira kwanu a won say yen na won yentu na mo a epese yitu. But remember, it's never too late. And everybody my free me mama my son fire my SM pain see tsunami sorry pa bring some and try me photo and some mama through you let me so dem wanna miss up I want no ni hobby as often as you are son one come to say I know the Obi o de ani si ase no de si ye no enyampa na bi mon kan che me say die so I'm sorry and die so it's the reality. Mesi obi ahri ade bi nanso de ba ye no na echi efe pa 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 pa. My SM open me pa approach no na mi so nanso krobia ni agenti manyanja pa de bia wo fie o me menyi adu mi pani fie so approach na funu mi o nanso mi ti mi come chibie mama beka obi my so na me ka o say wonga djumadie yi waso ya sene a oboan ba ko just bread and pastries one more and amode just hot kinky e dia bedwa so anopay me catch me producer say me jemedie me buy ya ma jemedie kodo me dia kwahye ka no na otwi me ne just hot kinky and eko be kope me nchi na me me mako metwi me dia boso hey sa just hot kinky se wonya bi anunsu yo de e kwan of us ye no so omo ye no under hygienic condition omo packaging delivery efebasa ba kon 3 cities na sana me hunu say ebi ton do kon kura 7 cities 6 cities and to be 2 sa 3 cities ya what dey hefa so a obenya ho and tintina fie keke and na me de me hu de meye just hot kinky say what dey adwuma ye aduane kon na de abre what dey adwuma so abre obese wo kwagina tufo aboa what dey ebe mawo a packaging nice obese what dey call funerals obese what dey call event weddings Osafo Juman de kan ho o me nyina de ama de obaya na se from 02560 02560 68832 02560 Omo Just Bakery I want to make behind the Ghana Commercial Bank. Just Hot Kinky or say experience easier, healthier and more profitable and have make more profit with Just Hot Kinky. Meshia will be or say I say Miss Muyama na me say be air trim if me to say I be see me na ho na I say o na coming susuma will be a coming oboa susuma will be anka the air on refer sciatica obi say me say bosom ni sciatica or say we dia hom fipa angels ni bi din me say there be sciatica angels din yare the air no enye o wona ka o sciatica sa ya na what if you see wari ko for o to ase wari ko na ho no sciatica entini bi a ho atochima na won ye hu adwuma no 21st clinic wo say eba na sciatica mu a omo your originators omo your pesitors omo your commandant omo your researchers e obeya ne say he how much that kwan omo on kan tantra hill runabout omo tema bi Roman Catholic Church omo kaswa new market obom road omo Kumasi and overseas there be some power na omo sunyane opposite regional hospital first gate omo tachima OGN bank building now. I'm on Kranza near Children's Park. I'm on Takwa, a beer, some power 9 more. I'm on Takrade, if you come number 9 taxi station. I'm on Bricum, I'm on Gosso, I'm on Bossy. Tia from where? 0540 311 311. Oh, friend number here 0540 0540 311 311. Oh, fra. Oh, fra, oh, dial number. Must take a crana. Or if you see soon, if you say you be too nasty, see it to Banche. 21st Clinic, Sciatica Commandant, from Nomo Mboao. Martina see lunches and many because you have free show no and the day bano. Na Adeba come who ewo omo afa loss mu na omo fa amani bi mu Adeba come ho say I didn't see ya so we no kore. Obi nkan che say da na meso. De see ye no enye no kore. Ho se den akama so ba ko. Denial. Ye be say ye di ehun komo free show no. Na bi enye no kore. Na bi na yampa. Obaka say bi a eba fa na dwemu. Want to mean process the pain. How do you process the pain? Say oh here ya die bi a ekwan a obefa so a obehihye wadwene. Ahe wa tenka. Ahishe oniyoi okasa na aboa ama oyaw no eswate mashi obi a we lose baby na ordinance nsa ebobo ordinary tikura bobo dan na what do we ti bobo dan a we tini ba yawo ya eyawo ya nso a ebere akoda se rade de opa bi aye no e bare de waka na mo ni bedua no so de opa no no ba ye if is what the abobo dan mu it is a way of processing your pain. Denial, I won't process it. I fed him, mewu, and the message me call. You quite this now be no be from I am ya when in none is here. Was your young non tom and an even now? Oh, see if no say, be unquenchy, but your Huritum. Huritum, I fed ye when you pan a quenchy. And Yama Yadi and answer who said ye besi as say home near she attend can't have near far a beboy pa. I go see I pay me watch it.
Made you so, Papa.
Now I go see to say
Yamia dum, Yamia.
I go see a dark machia will be a now assembly atono.
Okay.
And I said, men can't change say no correct. They are in Grafo Cano.
And Onyini say no correct. We do Mama Kai 2024 na.
Okay.
You can't say NPP elusu. MPP support a bit in Chenho. Or say or a show so wada. Unyanya ne. Oti area ho. Or so wada unyanya ne. Ne so electoral commissioner announce so. Mami je mensa announce say NDC na we ne. Nti MPP fo elusu. Or say there be nya no kre na de eni ni gina holding komo no wada. Wana nyine ho da.
Hey!
I say, you do not say, hey, o party is what be anim so MPP ni we area. I will be anim so MPP ni we area, hopa o ginem. It is kwaku. Hey, mo party na lusu. Was one a catcher on them so electoral commission announce also no kre. Me mada. Me ne mugina hana mada. Diana Mensu. MPP ntimi lusu da. Na so there be MPP lusu. Omo lusu ma gap no kre mu wa pa. Wow. There be wada onyana onye different results. Oh yes. It is but deny akese. No, he can't believe say MPP lusu. O tia say no, man itimu da.
A man itimu da.
Oh no, elections na ye kono. One obese sure by sure.
Or make room in a
no, or make room. Need the say MPP and a way.
I was a hot passage.
Or make room be a
and Prof woman need any space for potential negativity in life. Will always be shocked.
Papa Pacho de be repeat one statement in there. Repeat mean can chi.
Obia anyone who has no space.
Obia on my coin
for any negative situation
will
always remain shocked. That's it. And as I said, when you space, we are here, space in your mind say bribiera. Osafo. Okay. I say, so you're for me. I say, Bible can say all things are possible.
Hey, I never thought it that way. With God, all things are possible.
Okay, someone, and I may say, I say, how do you understand it?
I say, with God, all things are possible.
I say, good.
Listen, I
say, all things are possible. And let's say, and Nima
Papa,
Bonia, when in Nasunina,
a bit to me a see.
All things are possible.
And even with God. Because Papa, even with God.
Yes.
Because then Joseph was in prison and God was with him. Nessa, what can who be? Nessa, what can who? What can when I made the quarter?
Oh, Shami, Daniel, Ekoto, Jatamum. Ane, I now have a do answer.
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Almost say, or Hine, are you cry? I mean, because of Mukas and Yamaka say, hey, oh my, so my son, you go say, a gentleman's and will be oh.
And you go see myself back.
Yeah.
And Crawford.
Okay.
Yeah, now, one more making room set. Situations can change your life. And Nema, any bit to me, I done it. And today, Biano, prepare your mind. Say, in the worst case scenario, what will I do? Sankrofon, I go say, I wish I be then I didn't know how much.
Papa, me jidi say a entity you.
Okay.
Say, baby, environment near woo, and especially, I come from Christian home, no.
Right.
Faith.
Yeah, can't faith.
Jidie, and you know, bonnet. Jidie.
Okay.
Enti yede atete will say walk by faith and not by sight.
Okay.
Enti yehun say faith is denial of reality.
You deny reality. Okay.
Yede atete say faith is because ukoye eye na che say woni gidie. Ukodwini say there is a possibility of evil. There is a possibility of a negative outcome. Na che say woni gidie.
Woni gidie.
Eti gidie ni say we are optimistic. All the time, you know, you are expecting something to happen. Even when Bibi bad crazy, I refuse to be sick.
I refuse.
I so to
I'm not poor. I have money.
I refuse. I'm not poor. I have money in my account.
Also, account no.
Eti Baba, that should be betray faith, you know, because you say faith, and they say be a denying reality. Faith in this, I won't say be bonny bintimento. Faith in this, say, and all corno, Yamedo Bako de Waba, nothing bad will happen. And I say be bonny bimpo see if there is any negative effect here. And then Yamea, and your bon some day, until you go straight, shall see and find it out. One am hono, or crano bechemuno, a biana, Oma, bloodline, and the family bloodline. We always make excuse, you were GDA, or GDA, be bonny bintimento. Who were GDA dia, there is no way, say, as I will be a more demon. It's a trim,
as you said,
it's a baby bonny be crab, we don't even go further to ask the Lord, so what are you using this to teach me? The moment, you know, we go into warfare's mode. I root out. I break.
I cancel.
Who will break you another?
Because and this is where the wisdom is. Faith is not avoiding realities. Faith is walking through realities with confidence in God.
Faith in it, and I said, Gideon say, "Wouldn't dear Essino, but wouldn't the move or bro would Gideon when Yamimu?"
Agosia, emeritus number 2.
Emeritus, the same free period.
And I say, as well, I do emeritus. Agosia. So faith is not denial of realities. It is walking through realities with confidence in God.
enti gidie nkyerɛ sɛ ne asi ne wo nkase ni hɔ na mmom ne asi ne wo nam mu wɔ bra wo gidie wɔ nyame ne mu
exactly
ɛne papa asafo no mo yɛ the service to us Papa, you are doing as the
our teachings, and sometimes say obi pray ade na ofi as say osuro chichim be brea
yeah
na me hunu the impact of it say na ben na one time you be friend me or say hey osun dai no na ne mame samai ojana so mame no so ewu and all kind I just had an intuition in my spirit. Sister ohiam pae ohian chere enti or person me bomb pie man my mom pie man and I say cool down
brafom
okay I say relax, take a deep breath. Okay, let me ask me church. Do you know yourself? Do you know what is in you? Do you know what you can do? Or relax ba and if me say why is stable no na mom pay ti o man and no frame me back ma go through and Mrs. Zidi bibia fine pa I say because what happens is that because you are a lot of the time when you teach your members to avoid realities, they are worrying the same. They are avoiding life's struggles and challenges. Now, every beer will be avoiding life struggles and challenges. No, the spiritual muscles will not be built.
Nessa papa de opportunity say as a sasa no. Mutimi catcher some pauko no be betimi a town. Sa. You bet me as a catcher. As some catcher promotion now when you know. You bet me about saying young or times and I say be a promotion could be a winner.
Okay, interview. Okay. When you saw the Yamiase. Realities. Yes. When you're the Yamiase.
But the moment a man no. There be
Obi my bomb pie man. Papa. Wait here, this are not yet. But him say, oh, Casabuswa. And I'm so ready. I'm very cool. The choir. Yeah, the man so no. Pine.
Yeah, the man and I bounce on.
Yeah, man. About I heard more. Now I'm saying, hey, that's how I apply. But yeah, I'll say, oh, but I'm saying, we will apply again. Any apply second, any bounce on.
It's a bounce on.
I say, and I'm saying, yeah, apply you. And I apply and then
near the man.
And who said
life no
the motions of life.
Papa ni na me kan say mo ko mama ya hu say gidie ne se de me pa bi esese minya gidie ne se ni kwan se bibi boni bi to me gidie ne se ni kwan se obi disappoint me gidie ne se baby sorry tia ma break and loose root out plant scatter by fire. Oh, pay.
Jeremiah.
Well, but will pay.
Any bottle. Pay. Machine guns, you know.
But auntie Papa, who my young say Bibiana Empire?
Levy. I could say that's not it. And ya dear Biara and the empire. A dear be wha a entiasia. A dear be wha a yansa. A dear be wha a humu. A dear be wha a acceptance. Paul say,
Mitinia may be a tomb.
Or say, I saw me a tone of flesh. Sorry, a tone in my flesh. Na me konya me anim ampramian sa.
So when you free ho.
When you add me. Take it off.
What's me?
I say no. My
madam no abuswama. What do ne buswama me say me turn on turn me on.
My grace is sufficient for you and my strength is made perfect in your weakness. Oh, madam does now. Na ma ho de eda ne ho adi e wo mere we mu. Eti me come lecture be on that Paul because GT oh baby.
Yeah.
And I make sure I make come about trauma. Say how you can meaningfully live with trauma. So sometimes trauma no we go through the training you cry and just send in every.
Yeah.
Exactly. But how do you live with it? Na make sure. And the Paul lived with trauma.
Yeah, we live with
he lived meaningfully. To be why because you are not no. When you did anything can happen. Open the breath said life flows in an angelic mode. And so bray say insu Antoine fa organa ha. Insu Anfa wa amro baby and am open. Anya no e kan say e bi aka. Anya no Yarwebi, I am just say so many things happen in life.
Niema betimi esi.
So many things. Niema wenina.
Eti bie puno.
Allow things.
Make you room.
Makwai. Na niema to me esi. Ushi obia. Hey, maybe my wife dia kwajo dia hwe. Kwajo to me nyame da. Wana ka kire ho. Wana ka kire ho. Anything can happen in life.
Kwakwa dwere betimi asesa ho.
Hwe. Ewiasi.
Kwakwa dwere betimi asesa.
Oh, make a chance say. Bribia betumi esi. Enti wonam ho a sesi wadwene say. They are all new humble da pe.
Eye Nyankopon. Ah.
He's the only faithful friend.
Anti apart from nyame no nipa die. Se wo ye nipa ne die. Bia betimi esi.
So nyame kana koma. Na wa mprewa koma. Na wa yiwa ma. Enipa no wa ya de pa. Se onyame kana koma.
Wanya obone
wa mprewa.
Wono watena. Ne se nyame ye na dom.
Wa na dom nipa no chese onyame adom. Na koso ya. Se na ana wo rafi jobo yire. Ebi bi akwaye. Ehum no to ya say. Ebi duminyame na.
Imagine.
Yes.
Duminyame.
Curse God and I.
Eti papa de wo kan kire yen ni say. Yem fan hye yetim sa abrabo ne bibia betimi asi.
That's right.
Enti yem prepare
for it.
Yem moaboa ye ho.
Sie wadwene.
Wo de adwene papa fa gidie nante na so. Se niema
nko de wo si panwa. Exactly.
Se nyame ho adom ko abefa so handle no.
Because I can say the virgin's mentality no. The virgin's mentality is a mindset. It has no room for any inconveniences.
Adwene bi e wo timu a wo ma ho kwan se kesa wo de e ma wo timu da. Se obi
sane say
ebetimi aye bone mpo.
Enti akoso enti wote wa wo ye adwuma yi. Ma ndo so na so asem to. Na e bi e woku na to kwan na bi oni ho a. Oba ni oh nyame ti ase. Nyame ti ase. No aka se wo ma bone bi antome da.
O ma ntome so da.
Ensi da. For me from enya da. Be wanna see me aba. Eti kan hunu say the only faithful friend in life
is God. Nyame nko a. Bibia betimi adi no. Bibia sheki.
Wo bia wani na say obedada wo ebe betray. Obi a wani na say obeya asemi aka asemi say ebeye. Because human beings are very interesting.
Hey, Papa.
When they go through challenges, they don't care who they betray.
Yeah, it's true, Papa.
They don't care.
As a nipa say bia o how to no and na obenya advantage a. Me fan say bibia ba na be man advantage bia. On fa ho just so long as
that's right.
E dey benefit bi be
that's right.
Extent a obe go.
That's right.
So obenya sadie no.
That's right.
And no me sister bi wo UK friend me no osu na me busan sa ade no say or call ye no one organization no more branches no move no kwa another be ye ni leader.
Right.
Eti girl on ni free no ni ye free all right o mo bomb high. And ye move on de ne ba ta branch unto so then we have and was on no afa damfo eti nkomo nti ono kwa bia na ote no they wanted us to leave no person come to the same place.
Right.
But I was in the place of prayer bibi catch and say no ma on pen dan so pe wodan. So she decided not to. Also, my excuse, beauty a pewdy and I'm in Pemidi. But in the workplace, you know, or more a juma boom. Papa was one nimber be free. This girl has developed jealousy and envy. Say what penny position as Auntie
Ayaka.
We call Quatra or more operations managers. Oh,
Ayaka.
Sandy Power, men and man ideas. Me na man identity niema otimi ye nyina me na me man ideas eti no omo wo meeting ase so one lady ne sending a message do this and she was wondering why must I do this and we inquire from he say na makoye meeting na mo se obi anka bibia o say na ope evidence oh yeah na nko de akwache say man kan kire mo say me na me man ye every idea she has been implementing. We say we make a chance say onye presentation, why presentation. And no, if it wasn't the Holy Spirit that was in her, catch and say no, don't do this.
Don't do this.
Oh yeah. Oh Papa, obi a waba. Wane na be fa damfo. Wane na esre. Omu didi bom. Omu sa wo prayer room kura. Our office ho. So your afternoon time no, they go there and pray.
Judas.
All of a sudden, Papa.
Judas.
Any bre. Be eba shege ni mu envija. Enti How can this girl do this? And papa dia wo kana mama who say human beings. Any pa ye nam hoyi. Adwene bebre ba yetim na nim de nipa no obefa.
That's right.
Go betimi afa adwene nche say a lot of thoughts eba any obi an the team filter through. This one is good. Maybe nipa we dey me mama ni brain. Some ebi mo ntimi deal with their personal emotional.
That's right.
You know, it's a buy na okay go we say nani brew. Position we Kenya ya. Na fe wa chance na wo keka ho asem ti papa. Say ye mie ye ni papa da ko be kire human being dey.
Obi beside you. I said define human being.
Papa mpacho. Da ko be wo.
I said Debbie. Me say created in
the image of God.
As image by.
Papa mpacho.
I say God by.
Sompa Rhapsody da ko be because ya tese mo say ya was spirit, soul and body.
Okay, me
it say mutimi be kire ye spirit no
I why.
Soul no so ye why.
Body no so ye why.
Body no so ye why.
Me and son how do
you na mo say nipa me share nipa me enso. Spirit, soul and body. Papa ebetimi abasa.
Why now what dealing with?
Ebetimi abasa.
Are you dealing with the body?
Ebetimi abasa the spirit na bodam. Na me kura minim. Ebetimi abasa the soul no yare. Na me kura minim. But me hu nipa na appearance a.
O say bia e come.
Me bia e come o ye ni but bia na adwene ne yo.
Adwene ye enkoye
human being.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Sir,
and she was crying. Say, how can this girl betray me like this? She's surprised.
Yes.
Because she never thought to say somebody I wanted to say boom.
That's the human condition. That enkrofo atwa ye ho hia. Ene enioma ye fam. Now don't forget one of the statements I make here. Me say there are three things in this world that I say be atiase. Number one, they say we nipa or limitation.
Nipa bia wo mreye.
Number two, they say one atwa ho hia no. You be an epe we.
Omo mo twa ho nyo bia na pe
we. Because omo ye nipa sa.
Omo so ye nipa sa nti omo so wo mreye. Omo mreye no betimi abewo wani.
Number three, they say you are living in a fallen universe. And it's animal and saying, what says so far, in fact, on some baby.
They won't find my cry.
Memo, and your man
will be friend of the other guy. I don't know, what's that? You know, the other guy, he takes advantage of everything.
Oh, so far, three Namikan.
I want for some men
for bon some baby.
Yeah, but oh.
If I don't have some hopper.
Yes, about some hopper. But your patron said, "Dear, he and your no one. He has an
idea. The Mamen can win. It will come as a surprise for all of us. The first arch enemy in life and of life is a bonsam. All the rest of the enemies were acquired. Tia wo ye no dia o tamfo a obetodo ba kwa no owo hansa na wo ba
yeah se bonsam na ye ka kire ye
and ye ka kire ye but afa wunyini na okoso abram na hunu se na bonsam no oye tuntum ana fita
na ubusa ho nsem
na titia ana tenten ana because enkrofo atwa ho ahia no and you may be a moye tia no hunu se sabonsam no kora no
oye nipa sabonsam no oye nipa yeah
and he works through instruments.
Okay,
Satan will never come and stand before you.
O megina wanim
goes you are many Lucifer and let me say one Prof come who has I know obefa obi a onto wasemu obefa obi a odomu obefa obi a obenwu obefa wankasa wadwene mu. He works through systems and means and models.
Wow.
And you know adebia no ayatiase say the academy is there. Oh we are say afole oh nkofo amroye
na wanso amroye
and challenges can come from everywhere.
Ebetimi afa ba bia
even if you don't believe it because unipedua can fail you.
Yeah, unipedua ya your body.
Na obi asora no pa.
Yeah, one body.
Manya bribio man erade ni minyum ma sorry no pa hima Pam no wanya heart attack. Or come washroom akopesi. Pam wanya heart attack. Nefa grim. Within the next do not have grim. Or the 3 days occur.
Hey.
Until your body itself can fail you. Until one more make room for possibilities. Now, second level say embrace God's grace daily. Until the year say, "Oh, Surano pana odi nyamiasia." Oh, kodakwana kusa utumi masticate. Utumi sabi egunsio. Utumi eko wash mo eye onyi. Utumi ni na eye gift.
Eh, say odi nyamiasia. Because obi ntimi nye. Yeah.
Ko he then e katita ashen ko.
Yes.
Say omo entumi ngunsio. Go and see. Obi junso asu na yase ama ne ho yira no.
And no big friend me say or person odi obi call endpoint or one of our sponsors.
Right.
Or they could mention location. I'm saying also me wafa. I won who ding. Can ye juma wo America kobani o kasane boso. Kasane boso. Nyame bia ni ho ni ade o anka ni bi ni ade wo nya ni sika nti. Ese okwa ese da brain spinal cord as de say hu yan say wa paralyze from the down. Na ye de papa ye si hwiche mu from US.
Unipa ni pedia.
Na ye de ayi tactical na some.
Katiaro.
Ye de ahye na ayi na no do so fam. No bedru ye na papa etie from fache ba de wa dwonso agu ne hu nyina.
What was saying o kasa bozo nyame ni ho.
Afa de papa yi omo so obon ani sei.
Na su aka no. Your body can fail you. Wa ni pedua no e ka akosenti na ba kire. Say ni ba o hia no a. Wo ye soul na spirit and
na me who state na me state no na papa my analysis because say what me say nipa bia wo limitation bon samba fa so de ha me na kufuo na kono ne krono na tro ne envy ne jealousy etimi ya na ma scanning my spiritual scanning
and
me ya na psychologist for my soul Prisla tell me maskani nipa we ni so no me ye hu say no kasa ne kasa na kire say me no na ma hair no me na ma hair body no me ma body ni deceive me na me hu say de obesi ni nipa no
and because am be say o gina ho na o ansa na be first session e kasa kire nkrofo a e ya wo kasa oboso e ya wo kasa omoro afi say ye wo no o hu ne heart da ono akoma o hu da
yeah
e hye nipa due mu so o hu da
yeah
ye wo no na dwene yi
Ohunda.
In fact, na sabo.
Ohunda.
Nensono.
Ohunda.
Ne minimum kura onu muso e gono. Ade e se wo yi epoi. Ohunda. Enso kasa. Et se de wiase ye ne de. And na me de go to hell. Life is go to hell. I say obi sa brand bi na obi ka say o ka go to hell. I don't aka. No. A lock. We cramp na ne jaw lock here.
Otumika sabi.
And you say complete the statement. Otumika. Eti 1 year. Ekoso ya na omodo afise. Ne peduano is like a machine. It can fail you
at any time.
Ekoso akasa kire mo.
Papa, mesre wo bia yemfa ho brase enante.
Yo.
Fa ho brase nante wo sa wiase ahwe ase yi mu. Fa ho brase nante wo wiase ade ketua bi no waye mobo. Human beings ye mobo nipa mobo papa. Emre bi meka wa hase pompo betimi abo motom. Wo sori anopa. Na won sai wontimi maso. Na wuti na ye wo ya wo je ho ba bi enye. Enti fa ho brase nante emfa dwe umuo bia ukasa nipa kire ukasa kire nipa rough chese wa ye hu se nyame bia se demigod asa wo de ye ne da fom mawo asa wo de wo fa bone nche me fa nche da me de wa ye me kire ne pa wo be kire hwan wo ye hwan me kire ne pa wo be kire ne pa bia wo koda ikura no wansore me kire wo pa ne bi kura de nche na sabio tiefo ade nche mu fa nche me o pompo betimi abawtrum na anopa no wontibi nya wonan. I'm telling you. Said Dr. Duro Kana I'm speaking to the wise only.
Serious oh.
Wo betimi asore anopa na pompo abawtrum na papa wontibi nya wonan. Eso wo pese uja wonan ba na wontibi adaya. Pompo adebi pompo abawtrum. Papa we dey ja wonan. Eti wo say enka wakaka bensam no he pompo ketwa wedi amwaye. Papa wakaka ben semono hwede pompono hwede pompona moye malaria mesi me koto abrante bia gigi esi malaria nam eti malaria na ne hu po cheche nam se ne abrante we na wakasa ne boso malaria na ye ni sei na ne cancer be wode because papa chese wo say
anopheles mosquito
kiti we eti papa wo ye nipa nya ho brase because nipa mo bonti ese wo bu nipa ese wo die ma nipa because you may not know when na say nipa no benya ne mo a ene na bia wo advantage over the person but the next day no time changes around. Say the be ya won kohie nipa ne bi na wani nwuti papa say wo ye nipa pa de nipa de say bi o tori bi papa kra me sha na ye ya ye mobo kra sen moa say me tori bi me way human beings
because abwan ye and then open
yeah
odidi
sometimes I wonder me then wo bitimi e kasa ne boso as wo mu obia e na me de me de be yaw e na me wo de me kire wo sa me kire kra no wo party free power na come and no crack no also party free power now a come down papa eti ye best say asase we na ye tie no enim from betimi bo na woni so abriu anything can happen bibia betimi esi papa me say wo fom bo betimi aba papa mi ankasa me nua bema Kwadwo Dixon kan story bi kire me papa bi me boni di enkrofo be hu no ba me moni di no ne papa ne nan papa ne bag na sika pa wow wo sika say tam e mo be businesses na wo ye kwa so be airline wow ye be local airline and na wo car rentals wo kwa nye kan keto ne bio papa je wa gomo ne Tesla as car sakese Land Cruiser sakese enu bi na wo de ma renter papa yi chese wo si ne boso ena aban bi baaye ena ne ho asem baaye eti baaye ne freeze ne asset nyina ena asem ne ba allegation free ha ebi free ha papa me kani pa mopo asem na me kan papa wo wotama wo tue sika adwumayefo pepepepe sei afedie allegation tia na papa ye de ne koto mu Kwadwo si akosi onim say me wo hoyo papa ne dem ofra me catch me say me man 200 Ghana cedis
whoa
o catch ne say
200
Ghana cedis obi an no planning to do an airline obi a wo cars or dem rentals
you can come down low
bbc ne shebna sesa
wa falling from grace to grace
eti wo je wakotena America kakra wakotena ne UK kakra enna mo sare a enna religion enna nyame enna let us say wenna nyame ede ne nyame enna mo fia mo gu Africa enna mo bompa wo kasa wo boso se dia kakabiti se dia wo ye nyame ade na kuta wo no you can lose it in a day ade na kuta wo beti afio in a minute me kuru baby a woye adwuma abranti wo se akoso abranti bi pa se no sika aden ya wakonya ministry adwuma bi ne aye no head of yi abranti kasa ne boso saa na mo sori a because me kuru me ne kwa so nti wo kwa no kwa so na akra wo mo na wo be ma na gira ho na abom paye no kasa eni ayi a da ku mi wo ha after by 2 years so say ako wonim dia ba na me say wo ga na me ka na sam kire wo no yesi wonya cancer na oni obi a wo ha wo hwe ne ntia ya ma ne so a ye de ne kwa akurase because oni yire oni babia cancer keke hwe nye hu de cancer
o cells
afena obebie na no ka se awurade wo ho de ahumi mobo
ne bu chief
nipa
and adoye
na doye dos papa
na obi ka to me say
papa
the first sufferer in the universe is God.
Yes.
Ose obresi obia
afa de cancer ne bo ne wie no afa na awurade se wo ho de a se wo se wontie nasem wo se omo bompaye ne se bie wo mo ya akwadefo wo mo ne adwuma ye nti no mo ye fasting bompaye eti wo hia nyame ade na wo de ho atoso no sa ayi mefa no se intellectually ebi a mentally wo ni made no wo betimi asofo from dementia
we fi on ka he
intelligence na wo say wo ni made nti no wo fa nipa nya hwe no you can lose
it be a professor be a wa bim pa
yes
papa
hey nipa
why obey demented
yeah
wo be demented
yeah etu wo ba se wo be emre wo sika na ekuta wo no so wo so wa ye gye no a wo say obi entufo obi entimi nkamasem obi entimi nya yi no Sa wo sika no.
Ko se nipa ne nipo.
Oh nipo.
Oda.
Oda.
Na oda oni so wana de.
Wonim so what. Sa sika no papa, wo betimi ahwe sika no in a day. Wo betimi from grace to grace. I will say yes. And papa, human beings, we must walk with humility.
Walk with humility.
Yem fa ni die manya meni yem fa ni die mani pa. Yem fa ni die emanya me. Yem fa ni die emani pa. Wo hie ni pa wo say the way hey wakwala wo ne ne tie nantena because wo to aduane mani di. Ebedu be bi wo na beto aduane am wodi.
Me come on.
Ebedu mre bi akwada no na beto aduane am wodi. Enti wo je hey papa ntimi hu obi a kasa ne poso enye meji wodi mapamo na kasa nipa no ne hyebre kutawo anaka wo pamo no ntuo ni dia na wo ye hwan edi papa woni we must walk with humility because you make space so that we can negativity life mu no things can life is full of uncertainty
enye
de wo pebia na wunya
exactly
enye de wo pebia na wunya human beings more ball
you
papa
can control uncertainties who san ye besi afa ba
papa be me bi be ka che wasi wagya wo na pese wo no maduro wu be ma no ka se wagya wo no waye mobo at once
akosi afa ma me fa me
papa be me bi betimi aka kire wo say won na wo say wo doro wo say on pe obiem wa wo betimi you will wish so you would want to die that thing alone you will wish say wo be wish say wo be wu adentia because be me bi so wo ni wagya o be bi betimi aka so wo ni wagya na whole life one shot madness wo betimi kura bodam because obana ba be kan che say on pesa relation wo kunu betimi agya wo yire betimi agya wo as that moment na wo beti san news no de wo brain ne niema be ye no papa one shot wo akasa woni so be brunti nipa bi sei wo ye de be ye dwe wo bra ade ketua bi betimi ama wa ye mre o ade ketua bi betimi ama wa tofom papa yemfa eni die manya meni yemfa ni die manipa yemfa because bibia wo bia ye etimi change bibia papa me hu asase so the last time I was analyzing am say edie na papa wo asase so metimi akase sade we die etese rock sade we die ase wunya dia no me assess ye na papa ebia position ebetimi ahyerew wa hu ofo betimi ya abrewa akokra wo nufu ibeti agu wani betwi ncham wadwuma no ye betimi yayi wadi usika no ebetimi ahyerew wo ka no betimi anya accident ufie ni eja betimi ya
nothing is permanent
ma bi betimi eja wo ba betimi eja wo oba betimi ewu wukuru betimi ewu woyiri betimi ewu adwuma no betimi egu aban say your life can change papa in an instant
me person o kind three texts be and some akosu akan
ni pe mobo papa me say Liberia o mo say no mo to Liberia was flourishing before the war wo kwa America wo hia visa cross wo free Liberia
amon kan
one day pe
apostle ntumi your former chairman
one day pe
book no Flamingo enyema ewo book no Flamingo a camp of no return
papa one day pe na Liberia life it is turning upside down country I wo America we here visa they were flourishing who ya say BBSC abantu aba ehia esikafo da na ehiafo enkwada na nam street ye kunkun krofo read the history
no
read French Revolution read
I
ye be sign the monarch ahemfo ene wo mma read history
oh serious oh
ye de be gina bedwam bubo mu tuo
bom pa kunku mo
nyina wo na na di kro no
they were enjoying
omu nyina asehye ade ma asase we so papa bibia timi sesa eti wo se de na wo wonti a wo se wo ba nipa ntofom na nante ye so
because Proverbs 27 verse 1 Montio where are your wisdom a nyansa
papa Proverbs
27 verse 1
27 verse 1 papa de open NIV no na and I say AKNJV is open to my friend or say do not boast about tomorrow for you do not know what a day may bring forth papa or say do not boast about tomorrow for you do not know what a day may bring forth.
One name the daddy baba.
Nyame asem na eka we yo papa.
One name the eda.
Mo am wo gidie de nyame asem na eka we no. Gidiefo no. Nyame asem na eka we.
One name the eda de baba. Na akosia the popular one. Enti otuyefo. Our Proverbs 3:5-6. One name the daddy baba ntino o 240 no so pa.
Trust in the Lord with all your heart.
Yo.
And lean not on your own understanding.
Yo.
In all your ways acknowledge him,
name.
and he shall direct your path.
Trust in the Lord with all your heart. One name the eda de baba.
Just wako pi America winya healthcare. Wako UK. Yeah, you system just say the systems
systems are working.
Etino nyame bi
Did you be at
prove to me that there is God? And me busa and say mpacho, me so prove to me that you have a brain because you can't see the brain. And I'm saying prove to me say with the wind is there because you can't see the wind.
You can't see the wind.
But you feel it.
And from our head.
And from you can't touch the wind, but you feel it. And to them from our eti adentina usi nyame no because every creation nyina che say eti apona da ho no e for evolution for na ye.
Huh?
Hey! Epono da ho no evolution for na ye. Creation itself for krama who say nyame wo ho. Creation obi ampon kan che wo say nyame wo ho a creation na ankasa say wo hwe wiem a sand no any moon no scientists for na ye. Omo na ye bu so omo say ekwan ba so na ye sand. Ekwan ba na ye fa so ye moon no na ekwan ba na ye fa so ye sea no omo me kire ye ka kire scientific for science is good, it's perfect, but it cannot replace God. Science is good. Abonyame afa nipa intellect so ene wisdom so aboy, but it can't replace God. Eti be prove tira me kwan a moon no ene awia ene osana no emu am fa so kreti.
The stuff
so no mo metire me say pono mo kan chemicals we bo mu ena mo keka we si mu na yenya epo mo me prove no.
Because Lamentations 3:22-23 even we mama. Hey, also na pa bi ya kai say. They are new every morning. New every morning. Great is thy faithfulness, oh Lord. Great is thy faithfulness.
Papa was me reading
Lamentations
chapter
3:22-23.
Okay.
They are new every morning.
New every morning, great is thy faithfulness, oh Lord. Great is thy faithfulness. Papa 22 no say through the Lord's mercies we are not consumed. Because his compassions fail not.
Every say na yam yo hoda.
They are new every morning. Great is your faithfulness. Hey,
Bunipa.
Hey, humo brobio. Adum bina wo.
Bunipa.
Any humo bro.
And they are charging us some pan.
And kwana wo home no bina de ma wo.
Bunipa.
Bunipo. Hey, one 19 nipa so Prof.
Kasa.
Adan ya when Mercedes Benz bi adem.
Mercedes Benz.
And now Mercedes 5-bedroom house.
Eja tom gana be hu.
Na Solomon de no wo bi na wo. So the Solomon no wo no. E bi na wo. Nanti gold so. Na me cap e gold. The Solomon wo ne bi na wo.
Porcelain tas ya bi.
Kakra tas kakra. Watu wo fie. Any mansion bi a wasi enkrofo atwem am se dan na efe no. Wo se dan na ye wodan aye fa ene aye tete
kwa.
Edan ya na e fa tabre ne ye si enkrofo tu ko hwe. Ene papa wo du dan na wo de ma obi kura so won rent so won rent.
Oh, one pe. Edan na say.
Bibia betwem. Bibia betwem.
I love that.
Bibia betwem.
I love that.
What dine by 5 years to 10 years time now ya cake.
Hey.
What can no and a portion no by 15 years 10 years time no na egu ye chicha ye de scraps.
That's right.
Ye chicha ni say. It no something na wo muni pa.
To everything there is a season.
It is sometimes papa you need to assess yourself say e na mama ye je.
That's right. That's right.
You need to sometimes, you need to just look at your life. A dear nama me crano. Maya hantaya. As a mim, a dear. A
dear.
A be who of a sin. A be who are fasting, one my bad than Cochrane, Wokutam Poma, almost here to two. Oh dear. Who can obey a baba forever?
What do you for join?
Papa, the Ocas obey a baba forever. Mammy, for women, twisting the cacrabi. Namen can say, would ye a side chick business? Also, who of it?
Okay.
Now, obi yere, na neira of 5 and why ye penny sa, now, oh, that.
And
I would be connected. And I will bought life now. Why you say, Ubay say, ya. Okay. Pacho, who are 23, over 25.
Hey.
Uber do 30, Uber do 40, Uber do 50.
I
mean, what does one win time there? Uber do 60, Uber do 70. Or send it to Mokutapo.
Hey, I got you.
It's one who offend, I was one who offend. Who for behind your shade? Now, dear Bema, Upebia Ubenya, Santino, Nabutre, Yabenka. None of whom obron, a piano question won't fin ho. Oh,
me catch on Ecosia, papa. Anope Ecosia charging Mamma Numsia. One hair, the day no crown Tibania. If you say, Ayana Binu, again, he may be Ayana, a year. Eya na time eya said you see tete Forson or yanko basa at said you or yankopon or big catcher yonko say yanam wa yemenam wa we yankopon yemenam wa we yankopon wabo nipada wabo hinenda wabo enida. Be careful what you say. Every say we nipa na inyarewe betumi abo to ha won't me nante you forgotten. There is a season, a time for everything. A time to live, a time to be born, a time to grow, a time to live, a time to die. There is a time, there is a season in life. The uncertainties and the realities in life. It will come as it will come. It will come when it will come. It will come when you don't have any control over such situations. What you have to do is to be humble and trust the Lord with all your heart, in all your ways. Acknowledge Him, and He shall direct your path. Oje etuya for ebre and to men konachi and to say away and as a winner nyansa. Let tomorrow be a bygone and let us pursue after tomorrow. Let yesterday be a bygone and let us pursue after tomorrow. My dear, come never any NC dear away tomorrow is a history. No, yesterday is a history. Tomorrow is a prophecy. Tomorrow and yesterday is that past story. Tomorrow shall be a reality of grace. Tomorrow is rolling. Ochina Eba. Yesterday is gone. Let there be a new grace. Ojon the phone say, yesterday is gone. Another day has come. I said, do something new in my life. Allow yourself to learn something new.
hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
Hey, you're hot. Just bread and pastries is sick. Just hot kinky. Dokunonua. Ye di yellow corn of vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana so the sepe.
3 Ghana so the sepe.
No more to dokuno montenso. And no more to etono. Say dear. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokuno serve wa wo. Wo die frey. Na ye customizing amount. Se the wusi penny bia. Protein opposite the kaho. Ni ayama wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion, and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say, Obianim say, just hot kinky, and noa, and you deserve ya wahu, just bakery, Ewodome, commercial bank in Chenwa, and to fraying, and was 025 60688832. Now, young customize your orders in the mouth, never said what was city with pen pepe. Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
Hey, yeah, hot.
Yaba, I some delight. Yadiabro, Monday to Friday, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. sharp. Oh, Nesha, so Frobi, Nobi, so Frobi Nakashani say Abna Ruthie. I was Sompa 106.5 FM. Or the Sompa delight, Abro. Thank you, baby.
106.5.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wastrano ewe brim, and am nensaso ama onyankopon we ya won wade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us some First Service. Our home a new TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Yankupon Casa Chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And Mason First Service in Chow Home Hoda. A Yadrada Kusi if Yadanopa, Anopano Nunkusi Anopanunsia. Fawudaning na share radins. Na erade beye.
Ghana this my man. When you back to Siabu Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Ye did you media be a buy the boy and Cassia Brabo. I friend Sompa Rhapsody.
Sompa Rhapsody.
A bosso efi ejuada ekosi efiada. Anopano mochi kosi anopano du pepe. 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Entishia radio counselors. Reverend Professor Joseph Osafo do. Oh, yeah, clinical psychologist. Now you're theologian. Our being what Abrabomu Nimdia. Any akosia guabuaje. And radio so. Ejuada ekosi efiada. 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Now benya Abrabomu Yansan. Yabamo do anamo SCCA. Sabi bimpo ena ekoso Abrabomu. I wouldn't name me as a way. Ayat mayen tufu. I was Sompa Rhapsody so. Now what do anamo SCCA? In a world filled with pressure, emotional burdens, broken relationships, and silent struggle, Sompa Rhapsody emerges as a timely and transformative radio counseling program designed to bring healing, clarity, and hope to individuals and families. Ente ya mwanka samudio, yepesa abrabone ya mremau, yepesa wudi nimdie ebobra, yepesa isiwi. Ente shanonso, ejuada ekosi efiada, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Anopebia, netie Sompa Rhapsody, na wabrabo ebesisa. Sompa Rhapsody, yedie ni daso abro. Sompa Rhapsody,
Sompa Rhapsody.
we radio counselors, chen, so mo bebwa.
Free me, man, my fire, yeah. And then what they are binding me to you. My free me, man, my fire, yeah. My SM pain. You see, so I mean, I'm sorry, bye. Bringing some money, try me for dough, and some of my true few. Let me show them one I miss up. I want they no need hobby. As a friend, I was your son. Come to Puset, Dinonia.
So, what's a 1 year and Sano and the Mo? Now, Obegusuan Moa. What do you twasso? Now, they don't even know. A bar. Young Cassa, Yamina Mo ye. Cassa, what no one fat. Wabra bo. Na wode atuchacha aseno A resistor of wisdom is an embracer of death. Their own penny with the Yasabiano Waju Owo Atum. A resistor of wisdom is an embracer of death. Wisdom is redemptive. Yes, someone may kind of say. A resistor of wisdom is an embracer of death. Wisdom is redemptive in life. Ignorance comes with a cost. And if you have the chance to learn, embrace wisdom. Be a one penny with the end, we won't tell life is a mystery. The resistor of wisdom is an embracer of death. Wisdom is redemptive. Buy it with all that you have. Sikebia fana fakoto nyansa. Ema mi ekosia say. Say nyansa ye toa, ana ye toa. Anka wanga beto na doso. Deep inside from my mom, Rebecca Adu of blessed memory. As a promise here, Tonyansa, Anka wanga beto na doso. My mother gave me a space for reflection, gave me a space for grace, gave me a space to reflect on life. Sama brate message in your braho. You are Yamawa in a pebble. You know who near Moao. And Janape, a jada to. Every say, I will see a two idea BS. We have to force you to receive grace and embrace wisdom. A resistor of wisdom is an embracer of death. Wisdom is redemptive. Etiana pay me de Presla eba edemuha. Presla onaja onyame waduma de bia boy and ifi how to handle grief and loss. Me pese wodi efa the stages. Sa asem etu ubia. Stages bang and they are of him and watching the scope of it. Nanasa or say and you won't want a loss. What kind of broken relationships, what kind of health, any ability, what kind of work, home insecurity, what kind of reproductive loss, what kind of dreams and identity. And I'll be saying about the two hidden ones, the ambiguous loss and the disenfranchised. I am a ya will be paid to wear. Yes, you na pet there, but I was for disenfranchised grief, or hopper, a dear wood pa, a catcher or say a cassette loss in the griever. A love that has not found a rest and a place. If we say ubia or dubia ubiano, or don't find a place and a rest in something or someone. And since I didn't know, and as anybody knew her, now I say, oh, don't know, a nya baby and rest. Love must rest on something or someone. That's the nature of love. As I say, a jina biso, and not a rest in something. And the place fire cost in them percent. Brain per se gina stages na o church stages no obi fa loss mu a den and ya isi fire go
me my telephone na chi na obi fa loss mu a we be call the psychology of grief wansem na senia wa dream wa kuma bibia o body no etekifa na psychiatrist bia na friend no Kubla-Ross. I know your mammy be a ocean, no ocean crofa, or mania terminal illness, or mania yaria, a diomuku womb, into your show, most no more behavior, sena, unim se ube wunu, sena no muteki at the NFA, and I see and kumuna yedini, bet maka say, loss of your life, no, a threat and canade about moso. Into the first thing on who and say, denial. That's the first stage. And it's our idea, I can say Kubla-Ross 5 stages of grief.
Okay.
The first one is a denial. Hey, and na kusuye ka say enye no kre. Wada.
I didn't see.
I didn't see it, Debbie. It cannot be me. Now your mouth cancer diagnosis say when you're stage 4 maybe diagnosis. Now we say oh no. It cannot be possible. And paibo me boya sorry I me kwe. Cancer to me in my body. So that's the first thing. Into a back as a shock. And they deny that no, this can't be real. That's the first thing. It told Crawford. Say maybe ya kase udofu bi a onene kasa anope ya obisi yes we go adwuma wa collapse so there be agrobi no moody. So that's the first stage. Of denial wa na another stage to your friend anger. Na fe de before them. What happened? I didn't know. So God did not see that this was happening. My only child. I didn't know what me baba akupewu. Intimpaiba me boy in na for interview. He said me opportunity. Opportunity na remi. Afede na ubuefu nyame. Anazo ubuefu maybe obia or benwa. I saw so the blame no. Etu obi so. Inti anger so eba inti obi grievia. Na oh baby na who say ni buefu na on kasa obi aho as o stage na eno susu ya another stage a chest oni pa kono e grievy ena another stage so a kubla se ma ye hu ye e bargaining
okay
e ho ni say che I say who tina say ana enka me ye say anka we nsi ana me didi here enka maybe yare ya etu mi kan masa o ana me bei se me na nkasa sanka won fifio ana mi kunu nka me ya minya bote kakra enka wanye so but obu o ha onye ne hwe so beti medi hwamo
right
enti bargaining no oni ba kono nti ase de nti ade ne den atu no enti de bia if only what if no bisa no ho maybe se meni mi kunu anya sa ntoko we
just on no kasa
se ka nyama we if nka we insi and no so ya another stage now I call depression na video ni ba kono sadness ma video areho odi wa yebasa osu untmina na sa stage no ti deep sadness wa twene ho afini pa ho odi abobo eno susi afedio no about the fifth stage na friend acceptance no
okay
I would do sa stage na just say okay enye siewie mi kunu no wajai me madam fu no we betray me me lose scholarship no menya antisisi ameye den afi na wo gia tum say indeed no when ya opportunity no indeed no ni pa koneja wo enti say na metimi esi ebu me brafa after say nyama we esi na kubla stage no stages of grief no dem be say me kan ho e ka fa ho ni say enye stage a eye fixed stage say I was so denial now call anger ehwe ma che say obi betimi start from bargaining ho no be say senka manye say ya enka we nsi and so ndi pa kwa number bedru stage a obaka say o de bia say mo de nya no kre enti enye chronological so free denial now call anger now call bargaining there be because if it's me fi baby ya eba because ye different
okay
obi are different any obi ane senia asem to na o face enti ye kasa nema we na hu senia so obi lose bibia obetime behave fa ben no nche say chinchina chi also free denial now by anger no about bargaining enti no ena me be say tie Forson enti ase another psychologist be so a friend warden
okay
ono so my 4 tasks of mourning senia asem to obi a o city me edi ehho arehofa na eno no any kublaros ye different kakra enti ono no ohunu se obi ko ade bi mu a enye bi wo ho a wo se otimi ya eboa no na otimi fa sa loss ni mu na otimi kodu san bebe so a oni ba ko ne betimi ehho atona na se na nigie ene na ho fama sa be ne esa bebe bi enti warden ka say 4 tasks no the first thing they say accept reality no
jitu musembri
say ade no asi
okay
jitu mu se oba no afiri mu
okay
jitu mu se
adwuma no
wahwere adwuma no
jitu mu se nipa na gya wo
nipa na ye obone enti sisia no enka so we dey nsi yo asi
okay
the loss is real no krese asi enti afei de den na meye enti unya accept first and so what me akọ second one no see process the pain asem na ato no enka say de nya hwe na wagya ato ye ka say name it my betrayed my disappointed enti then me feel disappointed let yourself feel the hurt ma wo emotions na eba no feel sa emotions say asimasi ade odi ayemi de ayemi ya pa ayemi wama pa say me pa na se mo yesi enti process it and nam be pain no and avoid the pain no say o de anya hwe so ye hwe rewo utimi nemi na hu say ade ayemi ya eboa o ma utimi say okay mo say usu hu na go to pain na eboa ma o let it go ntem dan say oba avoid it and as obeka say o de nyame kraye mu nso ade eya oya ona warden so so free hwa na adjust to life adjust to life ne say sisi ya wukunu ni hoi eden na obeye obenye obepa adwuma maybe adwuma na oye no emwa opa obepa adwuma foforo na anase first no oton nsuo o the drinks back kan say ne be ya usika no emu be yedru ana adjust to the new world na routine sisi a wukunu ni wukunu afiri mu o sorry obeda mpam sa the whole day na there be o sorry okay me sorry me yere me ho me ye adwuma me ye say me kwa sorry eniema a obeye fufra ebe boa to adjust to new life no say ne be ya pain na we go to no sisi a first no ne friend Mrs. way sisi a wonya Mrs. BM.
Right.
Your new identity then now obey. So you must adjust to the new life. Now find an enduring bond. Obey find a healthy place be an answer. Dear well lose no. Odi bibi ye papa obey replace. Enti maybe a wonya kunu fufu at the meantime but ma and answer wonya no microphone support e wono. Masa bond na wanya na na se nkrofo na omobo a ho no enyo mundi san kita ho a ebe boa wo na wetimi ayeden a manage your emotions and manage your ho into who keep a healthy place for what was lost. Now we invest in the new life that is ahead of you. Enti sisi ano enyema ahwe odi e wanya sa adwuma no sisi a den na obeye me hwehwe adwuma foforo meni obi foforo be kasa na menya a new opportunity maybe na me dream say school nkwa na be boa me but sisi me hu say me de me adwuma for about 2 years na me say maybe menya new experience e be boa me na me dey akọ a new place and so see accept the reality, process the pain, adjust it to new life, new situation, now find an enduring bond. Now to say Kubla-Ross no way so near the same.
Right.
So we follow one step to the other.
Right.
Ube to me fee processing the pain now adjusting new life.
Right.
Now accepting reality because I also design my way in a bubra. Now wait me akoso a live your life. Two taxes in a the best share ama abuanipa.
Brisa so mama na me pesa me timba kwa priest la kind extremely important. Adjusting to life. Adjustment in say obra enko taught in the bia. Sometimes there are bumps, there are potholes, there are slips in life. They are not what do we need to say this no yan bisi. But bia a bit pursue and bisi. And you say adapt to world or to a world changed by the laws. I didn't know what you know. Assistant be a wabrabo. Obiananka we juma we ye. Odisika temporada. wotumi etodi wotumi to ehye wotumi ye bibia wo pese wo ye. But one single jolt in life changed the entire symphony. Edane bribia ema de na wotumi to no wotumi to bi. And there's a new role, there's a new routine, there's a new identity. Ebi ana empabo a wo hye kora no o se wo sa. Na ya na ye binom din se bribia sesa enti on adjust on adapt. Wontumi ayesa eyesa ye be bisa ne kosa and crofom be bisa ne say eh na ada na esa na nsa de on tare nyina ani apapasa one pan and there feel one pan tare a efi enti eya se ye nam ekwan hodo so a ema enya ni die gidie na ebinim buya e create identity ema enkrofo hunye o kwan bi a ya ye peso na sa identity no e create a mold for you. You don't want others to take you off that mold. Na omondi bibi bi edi a show enti enunti na ya ebinim entumi adjust no enti for the first time ebi a obefa taxi wompe wobefa trotro wompe wobenanti akoba bi wompe obesan ko oye no friend driver no matena car no no wetu akọ tieni ba. One life throws its vicissitudes and bullets against you. Never react by making sure that you are proving something to someone. Don't prove anything to anybody. Se obra edane na man no shiba akwemu a nyam adwene se memo mo hunu se me de osu aborbo metim de metim he ensi to owiabo metim de metim ubewukwa. Don't do that. You must always adjust to the demands of life. Wonga etumi efo bremu ni wonga wonim se obra dane fa ha, they know how to adjust. Ebunkam ni mu a, they know how to adjust. Said nefa nsuasia, they know how to adjust. They survive the torrents in life. And the adjustment is extremely important because obrano enyawodia, it is flowing by its own currents. The obeyen say, baby, I know Fabia when him say with me the chebebo. No afa ho adjust until the torrents are over, until the storms are over. Embrace life with dignity and with adjustment. That is what it means to be wise in life. Good. And you know, Mama, you have 1 minute, no. Me pese ode ba ko bi ebeka ho a na me pese how healthy grief actually moves. By 1-2 minutes be na fe mebu lines no. Press boy.
Okay. And healthy grief, you know, yeah, what the dual process model.
Okay.
And ono che say, oh, tibiemwa, usu, ukai, uyao. That is the loss-oriented phase.
Right.
And a restoration-oriented. Say, ushe kwai, u take new steps, u adjust it. And you know, healthy grief, no, and non che say. Assembly to unti won feel pain. And when I'm say tie for tie say feel the pain obesu obekai say eh ka me pa na ka first na me wa hoden na me gina me nan so ene enti sa bio but sisi a enti sa no sisi a den na metimi aye mesa start adwuma bio enti sa niema we ni na no eno mu say there's a dual process enti healthy grieving no oscillate just say who loss oriented ni mukakra now asan by restoration ni mukakra who one stage now called the next stage nini na no a good way who experiencing ya eden ato no now who to me eden ko and a continuing bonds healing no say wa fa de bi mu a chese wunya hu to wa na say wa go to pain no it doesn't mean say wo di nyama na wa let it go bibia who carry adie no differently. Sisi anu when who say, "Wadanfu yi, onyo bia ubetimi no aka wasem deep insem. And yes, maybe one in Casabium and on in Ayaka, and I just say, Unu crown watch in a derby. Only needing como, Ushana or Yachia, but menino and num to say first, no, Senanaminam. So you are carrying a semness in a different way. So you carry your loved ones as semness into maybe Ukunu e wuye. Say no si wuye no. Make I say asemisi say Major Mahama. Enkofo na yakayaka di ekunu say no. Meaning say in a year no carrying a story ni say in a different way. The memorial ni adi inti and only a friend a continuum boss no. You will cherish the moment only ni nyae. But o kind pano and I say o kaya semno in a good way. Inti to say Joyce Meyer story. Ni papa ye no adia na nke enye. And so she say ordinary story no boa afofo. And that is a continuing bonds no. And how healthy grief no a movie from dual process. I was a TFO who say you can be in the loss oriented stage and then restoration no. So who soon okay but who adjust it at the same time. And tinini no can coexist. Nini na bet me at the same time. And then you continue or loss no say when we say yes. Now no menye sue hunu bi from experience I mean and say me family huni na emenipa.
Okay.
Me make room to be disappointed.
Right.
And yes, many nipa nam, medo nipa, mebu nipa, but mini nipa nyam wanyansa kwan so. So that is a dual process model and the continuing bonds are a boa for healthy grieving.
Right. Over try the continuing bonds.
Continuing bonds is a healthy healing does not mean severing the relationship.
Okay.
Or letting go entirely.
Okay.
We carry our loved ones in a new way. Into telling their stories and honoring their traditions.
Okay.
Na medika nkaen.
Right.
Ukunu ewu bi wa lose bibi empofrim. Say now esuahu be na eden ubetimi ayede enye free sade we.
Right.
You will tell the story in a different way. You cherish the moments a only oni pakoni nyae.
Right.
But sisi a ukawa sema ukma enkofo hu say this was what happened. But then a menya in way na menya efrim. And then living out the values are only pakono instilling.
Please tell us about what grief feels like. So we lose you there. How does it feel like?
Oh, uluzu bibia emotions na dear ube filipa.
Okay.
You'll be sad.
Yeah.
You'll be angry.
Okay.
Sometimes you feel guilty.
Okay.
Anxiety.
Okay.
And I say, why? As I want to be feeling and sometimes even relief. Nini na cause at the same time.
Okay.
Sometimes before to me basa na wa ye busana chese ni nya
okay.
Ubetimi aye sad. Physically so ubetimi aye just wabre.
Abre.
Wakuma or chest e feel tight. Wakuma bo prepri.
Okay.
Sometimes untimi kwampo aduane kwa uni appetite obedidi kwampo.
Okay.
Nini na can grief na ho. Cognitively say what dream no then I will feeling.
That's right.
Who disbelief just say untimi believe say hey asimesi na ewi. Na nya no kwa na eno ene ne kasa. Obi so ha ni refi ade confusion. Nini na timi say behaviorally then na ni behavior che no osu watwe ne ho afini pa ho. Wa ye basa or avoid the pain no. Into a year maybe a ubisana asem na on person obeka wansem or avoid the pain. Spiritually so oni pa kono estati e de bufuo e share ade eh na rade muni so ni e wo ho into dating na wo se me ba etimi wu obi anka wa wie university obestati adwuma yesi oda ye wan sorry obisa nyankopon questions afi de oni gidie biom doubt and I say the faith so sometimes so loss so etimi mo ni pa kono enya gidie wo nyankopon mu mo enti grief no oni pa ko enya bibisa na so ohre bibia emotions are affected physically so body are affected what dream oni any spiritually impossible so Who said there be?
Affected. Wonderful. I'm from my lines no 0260196064, 0260196065, 0260196064, 0260196065. Fret na ending como se say fret. But Prissy, Chris, and be say, GDO in Yamimu. Also, scripture does not rush past sorrows. It gives grief language, dignity, and a horizon of hope. And kakra ebra oman for be free. Grief is not a lack of faith. A Christ for the yana asem to be no so and I want GDA and I want GDA check kakra fa home.
Okay. Grief is not a lack of faith.
Okay.
Yeshe Bible moi. Yes, na yes example.
Okay.
He says, and Jesus wept.
Yes, swing.
Aye.
Hey. Nana na no swing.
Aye. Jesus wept.
And to me soon, no, we are Jesus. Munya sa the count. Munja can.
Yes. Baby or Bible, you see, when he saw the multitude, he had compassion on them.
Oh,
now, Osho mo anti Yesu kwa grieve. Anti tears are not the opposite of faith. They are often its honest companion. Now Bible now
tears are not the opposite of faith.
It says the Lord is nigh unto them that of a broken heart, and saveth such that be of a contrite spirit. Baby, so see a contrite spirit, he will not what?
That's right.
Psalm 34 verse 89 Bible can. And see, Nyankopon him say you'll be broken hearted. Or say be of good cheer. Why does he say we should be of good cheer? Because when him say ensem ebeto, you will go through difficulties in life.
Right.
And see, say obi go to bibia mestre say, yeah, was sorry. Ye mwa onipakono. Be a helping hand to the person. Ukono onipakono uswa na unde uni shekwa beka. Just stay there and let the person know that you care for them.
Woman come numbers 0260196064, 02601960.
Be more comfort ADHD. Your morning is making you a candidate for a comfort,
right,
or to be a recipient of. There's a season for you to mourn. Into sorrow has its right season.
Right.
Into mourning must not be rushed or shamed. So be good to bibia. And yes, I tell you, because so media journey, oh yeah, no, now the bibia na usu. I enjoy sad, mourning must not be rushed or shamed, because there's a time to mourn.
Yes, I'm on to power.
Yes.
As a man to be now also on a jai and a jai. Oh, jai say,
I would be bia say ya on the sa, Namu and Ichie, Namudino, Conconsa, on the say ya, on the honor bound the swam and itikrate. Don't say those things because you don't know the extent to which a pain only pakwano a good. Into biblical hope lets us be fully honest about how much it hurts. Bible my who say you bet me a cansenia adieno esiye a yafa. And then while trusting that the story is not over. Into your story is not over. Your story is not over just because you are mourning at this time. Se udia re ho sisiano and chese ubedia re hoda. God is aware. He sees the tears and he would, help you. Because lots of laments, you see, a few. Who says like, and an open a kusiakan. Who need Didier? I don't know who's suman a broso. Yanka says su na yaria na se bibi enyo. But there's a place for you to mourn and know that I can actually, let my pain be seen. And see, a tearful who say they can mourn but their story is not over.
You come on, but your story is not over. 0260-1960-64. Akaka krana ebena ebe. At A4 we can pick just a few calls. 0260-1960-64. 0260-1960-65. Fred. Na ending come Fred. Nabisa Kosa. Fred. Naka Wajune. Priscilla, once we're waiting for them. I can't break a crabby. A loss art of lament. You just say, you can say lamenter. You just say, asemna how no. Wafa asemno. And now the asemna ako unyame enim. Now what can asemni na achi nyame. Now usu achi nyame. Now what can the how achi nyame. MS will be a line too no so. Hello.
Hello.
But you do more line on FE and Casa. Do more ready. Yes, but you know.
We need to take Pachi.
Okay.
She must over Canada.
Okay.
I think what I'm looking at.
Okay.
I got Michelle and Mamma.
Amen.
That's our fun chap. Madina or Papa Usiako Abuaji Insha.
Amen.
Papa, on fair program, but the other shanty, who beautiful lines to fight. Maybe a no cosmacan. Enemy mamma, Akusia Abuaji, anything for more carbonate to patch by idea. Oh, dear. Sompa Rhapsody. From shot and the part. From the shot of Panam. A boy.
Open say Richard and Papa Time.
I'm a Pananka, only new speaker with the Ghana program.
I know the Anaya channel the AC Wagano. Because when you started 8 o'clock, if you are started.
If I some kind of hello? What kind of 12 o'clock news? And come kind of 12 o'clock news, but you see my name because how we know.
Some more.
Papa, I am any that you. You want to say, young for you, that radio, she from she say, as well. You're sure you've been giving up. Check. Mine to what one jet. But my men that me about me, mamma. I had the someone to now.
Okay.
I say, I am master of water. A dear parent to me, a bush actually. A fire woman, a young what? Even a down so a yama, if you could betray our bra, when you may tell me, your mammy, but that you say, you are the kind. The truth, not of relationship or body bema or bam in individual. It is a can be so the time. Tell me, I Jesus rubber for another this year. Can be just in for grabbing.
Okay.
But Papa, so we know. Sir, deny us, Miss Anna, must only know what to tell you, Mrs. Because I am managing Mama.
I mention of
Papa, don't send your temporary. Don't make sure that very you so you'll be a part of the
hello. Good morning, Auntie. Yo, Auntie Patience, Amen.
Oh, not Mama could say. Okay, today I'm assuming about it. Yeah, what you said, yeah. And you got to you bet me after, then bet me after.
Yeah.
Now you're going to one of my said, you bet me after, it's not possible, no. It's not so abundant, it's not so possible. You are saying what a job now. I'm not seeing. Not seeing them, it's a time here to make a microphone.
Yo, yeah, there was a papa. Hello. Hello. Good morning, Eja. Forson. Now for the friend. Okay. Olana and Quayo, Yanto and Kawaba. Safra, Olana and Quayo. Hello.
Hello, that is Line. Good morning.
Good morning.
Amen.
Amakasa.
And I Shram. That is only a court Namuka, Samuka, Samba. 25 years, 1 way, and I say, Yamin, okay. That is you can't have the everything else.
Okay.
That's open now. Makes me will feel me one more thing me will be here.
Okay.
Nico Dynamic minister delivered to me. That is 3 to 19.
Wow.
That's why I don't think yeah, you want you move that. Oh, name me. Mini as a matter. China me papa. We are
Why?
Daddy, maybe I make up as a man. Shiamwa. Radio station radio station here. Who need me? Who know come up? Who they have rabbit nothing? You know they are here put to mount. The American say na put on shram. This a prisoner. Which would deal with it. So you go all the quarter deal with him. Na minister what? So the deal when you see so you say na we see. Na minister what? Yeah.
Amen. My main for last caller. Hello. Yes, Ejakasa.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I don't know program.
Okay. Okay, Kasa.
Nana, you program. What was that? Phone. I'm not going to buy it.
Okay.
But you can't. You are something. You are going to see a day. How much is the
oh, line in
so I'm going to scout.
Wait here, Esropa, Olana in your cra, Yabrepa, Enti, Uyamiaduma, next week, Pondiana Fre, Ebusian for Anopay, a ha and a break, Mamma Quine, na Yademo, a sea. Kaihun said the catcher was a Nyansa, whoever is a resistor of wisdom. Is an embracer of death. Obia one pe se oji indiano not just say oji uwu. Na say oji uwu so say oji nkwa. Enti anopay ha